Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, Ducati Multistrada V4. As 2025 unfolds, the Ducati Multistrada V4 is making waves in the adventure motorcycle market, firmly establishing itself as one of the best options for riders seeking top-tier performance, advanced technology, and uncompromising versatility. With its combination of power, luxury, and innovation, the Multistrada V4 continues to set new benchmarks for adventure motorcycles. The 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4 is powered by a 1,158 cubic centimeters V4 Gran Turismo engine that produces a staggering 170 horsepower, providing unmatched performance for an adventure bike. The engine is designed for long-distance comfort and off-road capability, featuring a refined power delivery that is both smooth and responsive. Ducati has also enhanced the bike's fuel efficiency for 2025, extending its range and reducing the need for frequent fuel stops on long journeys. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its advanced radar-assisted rider aids, including adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection, technologies rarely seen in the adventure segment. These features enhance safety and rider confidence, particularly on long highway stretches and in busy traffic conditions. The Multistrada V4 also boasts a sophisticated electronic suspension system that adapts to road conditions in real time, providing optimal comfort and handling. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes, including sport, touring, urban, and enduro, to tailor the bike's performance to their specific needs, whether navigating city streets, tackling rugged trails, or cruising on open highways. Comfort is a priority on the 2025 Multistrada V4, with an adjustable seat, improved wind protection, and ergonomic controls that cater to long-distance touring. The bike's 6.5-inch TFT display offers full smartphone connectivity, including navigation, music, and call functions, keeping riders connected and informed throughout their adventures. With its blend of cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and luxurious features, the Ducati Multistrada V4 stands out as a top contender in the adventure motorcycle market for 2025, appealing to riders who demand the best of both worlds: thrilling performance and supreme comfort.